Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare tuna cutlets with my mom's secret ingredient into that. To start off with, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add 2 medium or 1 large onion finely chopped. Now stir fry this for 2 minutes. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to fry this onion on a medium flame for another 4 to 5 minutes. Add finely chopped green chilies or add number of chilies as per your choice. I'm adding 3 chilies. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So now after this I'm going to add the secret masala, and to prepare the secret masala you have to use 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 cloves, 15 to 18 peppercorns and 1 inch cinnamon stick. So this is the secret masala. I've grinded it and now I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of masala. And the rest masala you can keep it in the container. Add 1 whole lime juice and add salt to taste. The half of the mixture is ready. Now let's keep this aside to cool down. To prepare the tuna cutlets, I'm using 2 tins of tuna. Once open, drain all the water or the oil from the can. And if the tuna are with the oil, then you can use the same oil to fry the cutlets. So in a bowl, take 1 large boiled potato or 2 medium potatoes. Season with crushed pepper. Add salt as per your taste. So with the help of a masher, let's mash the potatoes. The potato mash is ready. Now add the tuna. Add a small bowl of coriander. Now let's add the mixture what we had prepared. Add 1 egg. Let's mix all this well together. Our mixture is ready now. Take the portion what you require, make a round shape, dip it into the semolina, and it's ready. Our tuna cutlets are all set to fry now. You can get 15 to 18 cutlets out of the portion I have used to make these cutlets. I have made these heart-shaped cutlets as well. So now let's go and fry it. So now in a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot now. Now let's fry the cutlets. Make sure you're frying this on a medium flame. To fry these cutlets, you require 2 to 3 minutes. So friends, our tuna fish cutlets are ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all.